Have you ever seen a stock suddenly freeze at the day's highest price with everyone trying to buy but no one ready to sell? That's an upper circuit UC stock. Today I'll explain what UC stocks are, why they happen, and how you can actually benefit from them with the help of Wealthy's direct dealing account. What are UC stocks? In India, SEBI and stock exchanges, NSEs or BSE set price bands circuits for every stock. When a stock price rises to its maximum allowed level for the day, it hits the upper circuit UC. At this point, demand is so strong that buyers line up, but no sellers are available. This locks the stock price and creates scarcity. Why do UC stocks happen? 1. Strong earnings. Example, a company posts outstanding quarterly results. 2. Sectoral momentum. Example, defense stocks during government push for indigenous defense. 3. Speculative demand. Small cap stocks driven by operator or retail frenzy. 4. Low free float. Very few shares available causing sharp price spikes. Let's understand with example. TTML, Tata Teleservices Maharashtra Limited. This stock hit continuous UCs for months during the telecom revival, turning small investments into huge returns. The opportunity versus risk 1. Opportunity. Buying early in genuine UC stocks can deliver multi-bagger profits. 2. Risk. Many speculative penny stocks also hit UC, but later crash into lower circuits, LC. Where Wealthy direct dealing comes in. Here's the challenge for retail investors. Once a stock hits UC, it's nearly impossible to buy in a normal Demat account because the order book is locked. But with a Wealthy direct dealing account, you get institutional level access. Early entry into UC stocks before they freeze. 2. Priority execution even in high demand situations. 3. Access to negotiated trades and bulk trades normally restricted to institutions. 4. Lower transaction cost and negotiated prices giving you a discount advantage. This means you're not chasing UC stocks blindly. You're positioned before the crowd the way big institutions operate. For example, using Wealthy direct dealing account, suppose a stock closes at Rs 100. Retail investor tries to buy next day, but stock hits UC at Rs 30. After that order stuck. UC stocks are like rockets. With Wealthy's direct dealing account, you don't just watch them fly, you get a seat inside. Trade smarter, act faster, and gain the edge that institutions enjoy.